Let's say you copied your Illustrator using a flash drive to a new system and you wanted to continue your work there. Unfortunately, you are greeted with this missing font. What can you do? It's very easy. Take note of the font name and just go and search for the font. Maybe you have it installed in your previous system and that's it, or you go online. Like I got mine from Google. I'll open my Google Chrome and search for the fonts from where I got them from. So the name of the font that's missing is Balu Thambi, and so I'm going to type it like so. Balu Thambi 2. So I go download family and my download manager shows up. I'm okay to store it in that location. If you are not, you can choose a location. It downloads in a jiffy. I'll go for the second one. I'll go back to Google Font and type the second font, which is Comforter with a double A. It's a nice font, you can check it out. Same thing, when it shows up, I download family. And so, same thing, I click download and wait for it. It's downloaded, so I open to where it was saved, clicking on the folder. I open the zipped WinRAR. Double click on the font itself and install. Close it. Do the same for the second one. Now when I go back to Illustrator, it's done, so I can just close and the font will update itself automatically.